Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Surfers. So today I will share with you premium Udemy courses. So before starting this video, I am sharing this. This is for educational and informational purposes only. So I received all of this data that is publicly available, and you have to get those courses by coupons. In this video you will get 5 Udemy courses that is totally free for everyone. So follow the step by step tutorial. So if you click copy the first link, I will provide all of this link in the video description. So copy the first link and go to your browser and paste this link. So you will go into this interface. As you have seen that this is basically YouTube masterclass with video editing and graphic design. So I have already enrolled this course, that's why this is showing me go to this course. So if you copy this link and paste it here, you have seen here that enroll now. So you have to click on this enroll now. So if I copy another link and paste it here, you can see that this video is basically complete video editing bootcamp beginner to advanced. So where you will learn video editing with Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, Filmora, DaVinci Resolve. So this is a complete course for video editors. So if you want to get this course, you have to click enroll now. So you can see that this is totally free and the course price is $00. So you have to click enroll now. So here you can see that this video is completely enrolled. So if you start this course, you have to click start, and then you can see the whole module of this course. So step by step you can complete this course. So this is basically Filmora, and this is basically After Effects, and then you can see this is basically Premiere Pro. So this is a game-changing course for this is basically a game-changing course for video editors. So please grab it first until its time is over. So if I copy link 3 and go to this link, and if I copy link 4, if I copy link 5, so here you can see that this is basically CapCut Mastery, create stunning social media videos. So this course is basically CapCut Mastery. So here you can get all the information related CapCut software using and video editing. So this is showing a $22, $23 almost. So how you can get it totally free? So to get it free, you have to copy the coupon code and apply on it. So you have seen that this is basically free. So here you can add to cart and go to cart. Here you can see that this is totally free. So if you click on it, this course will be added to your account. So enroll now. So you have already seen that I have already purchased this code without any money. So you can see this is the full module of this course. You have to complete all the courses step by step video. So this video 24 minutes, 17 minutes, 25 minutes. This is the course, I think, where all the topics are covered related to this CapCut. So if I go to this, so as like you have seen that this is totally 99 $19.99. So how you can get it free? So to get it free, you have to click copy the coupon code and paste on it, apply. So you have seen that this is totally free. So you have to click add to cart and you have to enroll it. So if I go to this video, so this also showing the same $19.99. So how you can get it free? To get it free, you have to copy the coupon, you have to apply on it. So you have already seen that this is totally free. So every day I provide premium Udemy courses where you can skill yourself, and if you want any premium courses, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to provide all the courses to you totally free. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button